Ready, Jerry? You ready, Betty? We're going live. They're like, oh no, what are we doing? Hey, good morning. Hey, this is the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. It's about 6:45. Got to get the kids off a little bit. This is our 600th episode that we've done this show. I got two special guests over here. There's Jerry over here and Betty over here. And we're going to talk software is king. And we're going to do a fortune cookie. Because the dog reminded me, she's sticking her head. She's trying to steal a fortune cookie. We're going to do a fortune cookie too. But we're going to talk software is king today. And that is what we're going to talk about. This is the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show, where we talk about Scrum and Agile in a tactical and practical way. I am Greg Mester, Scrum Master and Agile Coach. And we do this to bring value to the customer. Working software is value to the customer. Writing things down on specs and stuff like that is not value to the customer. That's just when you screw up and you got to figure out what the hell you did wrong, right? What are you doing over there? And we want to get you home in a decent hour so you're not working crazy hours and have some fun. We're going to talk a little fun stuff today. We're going to talk about 600 episode, talk about SpaceX. That's what we're doing today. So let's get right into it. So SpaceX won the competition, and my kids are screaming upstairs above our head. So if you hear that, I apologize now because they're already fighting. It's too early fighting. And so yeah, here's Jerry. Let me show you Jerry. Here's Jerry. Hi, Jerry. And here's Ben. Hey, Ben, come here. People want to see you. Oh, there's Betty. So I got both of them. They're both sitting here, keeping me company. Sorry, Betty. Yeah, stay away from the cookie. Of course, she's going after the cookie. See the face? What? There, look at the cookie. She has a nose for food. Gets her in trouble. Anyway, so SpaceX won the competition for getting the almost $3 billion award for getting people on the moon. Why? Everybody talks about, I think it's working software. I think it's working product. I think it's because they're out there every day putting stuff out. And they have more experience on launching, flying, returning aircraft than any other corporation out there right now. They blew away. I've been saying that they've been blowing away all the establishment organizations that do a lot of waterfall thinking, plan everything to the T, always late, always over budget, can't be on time because I don't know what they do. You can do this in their world too, using Agile principles in a waterfall environment. I've done it before. I've been on time. I've delivered and brought value to the customer. So I don't know what their problem is. I know what the problem is, but I think SpaceX and the whole Agile mentality, get it working, get it out there, let the customer see it, will make money. The money will come with the software. And I have so many groups. Well, maybe we need to microanalyze and manage everybody and do these metrics and the velocity. It's not about the velocity. It's not about how they're doing that. It's about how much software code they're getting to the customer. You know, how much the customer's happy with what their product is. It's that turnaround time for getting stuff. Even the small stuff, just improving the product every time. And people don't get that. They don't get that at all. So in celebration of SpaceX, since my kids lost their electronics for like a lifetime, I'm gonna have them build these spaceships so we can launch a little projects, not very big. A little fat boy here and Destination Mars and name of SpaceX. Maybe we should put a space. Ooh, I'm gonna get them to print out a SpaceX logo and put it on the Destination Mars vehicle. That'd be cool. So we're gonna do that this week. Try to get their minds thinking about stuff besides electronics, which I love anyhow, but playing games and not paying attention to poor Betty dog and leaving junk food for them to eat when I told them to go eat on the table. So they got in trouble really bad. So in honor of SpaceX, thumbs up SpaceX. I'll give you a little super dad thumbs up there for getting software, getting the product out there so the customers see it. And they won the contract. I tell this to everybody every time. The way, once you start delivering for your customer, the money's going to flow. People don't get it. As long as you're delivering product to the customer, good product that they can use in their days and they're going to keep coming to you for more stuff. It won't stop. See all these groups, some organizations, let them in there. Oh, we don't have enough money. But it's because you're not delivering any product for anybody to use. You're sitting there burning money and playing around and trying to figure out what to do. And you just got to have a goal. So our goal was to make this happen, get something in the product for the customer. I mean, that should be like the mission of every company. Our goal is to get product into the customer's hands, period. That should be the number one goal, number one mission statement for every company on the planet. Because from there, you will make money. As long as they like the product and it has anything to do with what they want to do. But most time when you do that, you have an idea. There's always other people who do that. So again, software is king. Working software is king. Not partial working software, but software in production is king. And not crappy software that you have to have 80 million bugs to go fix, right? You need good software that will work and it doesn't need lots of fixes and like some major, like some companies that start with M every day, something comes down, or an A. There's a company that has an A in it that their software, when it updates, my machine just does not like itself during an update. So software's king. You get the product out, or should be mission number one for all companies is get the product in the customer's hands. Good product, right? I want to make good product, not crappy product that as soon as you get in the customer's hands, oh, we need to do about 10 updates today and you can't use it. So it's usable product in the customer's hand, not unusable because you pulled the whole darn system down for a month or a day to update it because you forgot something. That ain't good. That's going to put real fear in the customer's hands. Anyway, so in honor of our 600 episode, we're going to do a fortune cookie. 600, yeah. Maybe I'll give you the fortune cookie if you're good. Why not? All right, Jerry, you want a piece of fortune cookie too? All right, fortune cookie, 600th episode of the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. I'm teasing the dog. Woohoo! Tease the dog. Woohoo! I'm having fun now. Hey, wait till I'm done. I know you're going to eat it all. She'll eat the paper, too. All right. Fortune Cookie Friday. No, it's not Fortune Friday, but it is Fortune Cookie 600th episode of the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. All right, dog. You don't eat the paper. Oh, she must eat the paper. I guess if I want to give her the paper, just cover it in cookie taste. Okay. People are drawn to you and look to you for advice. That's funny. People are drawn to you and look to you for advice. I guess that's the life of a coach. I'm hoping I'm drawing people to this show. It's our 600 episode. We've done this 600 times. Can you imagine that? So I like sharing. I got a couple new people that I'm going to be coaching from different places around the world. So I'm bringing them on board, trying to get everything shape, trying to see how many people are coached, what people have left, and everything like that. So working with some new coachees coming up. So if you want to be coached, people are drawn to you and look for you for advice. I have some openings for coachees. So maybe the fortune cookie is right. Again, it's time to see if anybody else wants to be coached out there or wants some advice on Scrum and Agile on a one-on-one session for about a half hour every week. We pick up a cadence, whatever it works, and that way we all stay in contact. So with that, I'm going to say happy 600th episode. Thank you for watching. Ring the little bell so you know when we go live. I mean, I'm planning to do another 600, another 1,000, I guess, until I run out of stuff. You just drooled all over my pants, dog. Oh, God. All right. All right, everybody say bye. Jerry, say goodbye. Say goodbye, bye. Say bye-bye. You're going to say bye-bye, Betty. Oh, gotta get the dog. Oh. Bye-bye. All right. Have fun. Happy scrumming. Enjoy your day. Do some projects out there with the kids. And maybe do some model rockets, you know. SpaceX going to go to the moon. The plan is to go to the moon. You know, there's some inexpensive rockets out there. There's always a sale out there on the internet. You can get them. And have some fun. Take some time off with the kids, family, friends. If you're planning to meet kids, Go launch a model rocket anyhow. It's just fun to launch them, just to watch it go up in the air. It's fun. So have fun, enjoy, happy scrumming. Bye. And see ya.